Hi, I'm John Bailey. In addition to being a real estate broker in the Florence area for the last 36 years, I also have the privilege of chairing the City of Florence Parks and Beautification Commission. Now you might ask yourself, now what has that got to do with real estate? Well, the reality is it has quite a bit to do. As I show families around this community that are touring, coming here from other parts of the city, or the state rather, even the country, they want to see how aesthetically attractive our community is. So we've got several different agendas. I mean, the heritage trees that we've got in this community we'd like to be able to maintain. Imagine driving down Cherokee Road as an example, those angel oaks with the Spanish moss hanging. I mean, it's just a beautiful, really beautiful drive down the city. But also we want to consider burying the power lines. Quite a few areas as you drive through the city, you'll see the big magnolia trees in the shape of a V so that the power lines can run through them. Burying these power lines will help. But as a homeowner, you may want to consider planting some nice shrubberies and trees that will help aesthetically enhance the value of your home. As buyers come in to take a look at a home, I mean, the first thing they do, they stop in the street and they take a look at your home from the street to see what it looks like. They typically imagine themselves living in the home and living in the neighborhood. So it has a lot to do. Trees that will defoliate in the wintertime, they're called deciduous trees, oftentimes will change different colors. That's very attractive, and certainly have a lot to do with planting the trees in certain areas so that the sunlight will be blocked during the brutal heat of the summer, and yet when the leaves fall off the trees, your home will start to absorb the sunlight in the wintertime. So there's a benefit to the homeowner as well. But consider that when you go to plant trees, that just how aesthetically beautiful it is and the impact that it has on the community. Thank you very much.